Enhancements to the overdue and lost loan profile. Overdue and lost loan profiles allow for the management of letters and fines when books don't come back. This month in Alma, we've added configuration functionality for notification letters and fines to help with workflows related to those wayward holdings. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the overdue and lost loan page. So let's navigate to the fulfillment configuration. Within the configuration menu under physical fulfillment, we're going to go to overdue and lost loan profile. So now when configuring a profile, you can select an overdue notification type to send a notification letter that the loan is overdue. You can create a fine to append to the overdue letter. The letter and fine are generated when the loans change to lost job runs. You can also customize the content of the letter that's set to patrons with overdue loan. Now we have two goals with this. One is to enable collection of different fines anytime a notification is sent. And the second goal is allowing a variety of letters. And you can create up to 5 letters with this new functionality. Let's review the rules for this particular feature. This also will be available in the release notes. So now let's go over the configuration for this feature. So let's try adding an overdue and lost loan profile. We can create a name. We can choose one of 6 different available notification types, either change to lost or overdue notification 1 through 5. These are customizable. So you pick one. Let's say we're going to do number 2. Other important things are that you can select send notification here if you want the patron to get an email notification. You may not want to check off this option if you want the patron to only be assessed a fine but not receive a notification. And then there's create a fine, to create a fine when the overdue message is sent. I also want to show you what the changes look like in the UI. Previously, when you were creating the overdue lost loan profile, you would have an option to do notification only. And when this is selected, so in the old UI, if the notification only was selected, as shown here, then the setting will show up in the new UI as overdue notification type 1. So this is it for previously existing rules. After clicking Save, you can see that the policy is added to the notification fine type on the terms of use. Let's look at how we can configure the fine. The first thing to do to configure a fine is to go to the Alma menu and return to physical fulfillment. But this time we're going to click on Terms of Use and Policies. We'll filter the terms of use type to loan. We can pick any of the terms of use and then click on Actions Edit. Now let's locate the relevant overdue notification fine type entry at the bottom of the page, and then we'll select Actions, Add Policy. Actions, Add Policy. And here we can add a name and a value type. Make sure that it's selected as other. And we want to add a subscription also, such as, let's say, a $5 fine. Also note that these fines are separate from overdue fines that have previously been configured. Let's click Save. Now you can see that the type of fine has been added, and you can choose it or the default value, which is that there's no overdue fine, all depending on the different types of notifications configured. All right, the last thing that we'll talk about for this feature is about editing letters. To edit a letter, we'll navigate to the Alma menu and go to the General Configuration menu. Under General Configuration, we will click on Letter Emails. Using the handy Control F, we'll find the relevant letter, for example, fulfillment lost loan notification letter. Now notice I'm spelling full, F-U-L, not F-U-L-L, and that's on purpose. Here, number 21, full lost loan notification letter. Click on Actions and Customize. So here we can customize any of the 5 new types of notifications. As you can see, types 1 through 5 are found in different types of customizations. Also, if you want to customize the different types of notifications in their XSL, then you would navigate to the same Customize Letter page. Clicking on Customize Letters, and there you would be able to edit the XSLs. Also note that the fines will only be charged when the job is executed. This has been enhancements to the overdue and lost loan profile. Thanks for watching.